Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a chat app in Thunkable. First, open Thunkable and start a new project. You will need to add a few core components to your screen, such as a text input and a button. Crucially, you will connect your app to a real-time database, like Firebase, to handle message storage and retrieval. This foundational step ensures your chat application can send and receive messages instantly, providing a seamless user experience for everyone involved. Next, let's design the user interface. Drag a text input component onto your screen. This is where users will type their messages. Position a button right next to it, which will be pressed to send the message. Below these, add a list viewer component. This list viewer will dynamically display all the chat messages, ensuring a clear and organized conversation flow. These three components form the core visual elements of your chat application. Now, let's bring your chat app to life with blocks. When the send button is clicked, use blocks to store the message from the text input into your real-time database. Simultaneously, set up blocks to listen for new messages in the database. When a new message arrives, it should instantly appear in your list viewer. Finally, add a block to clear the text input field after a message is sent, preparing it for the next one. The heart of any chat app is its real-time database. You will integrate a service like Firebase Real-Time Database to manage all your messages. Configure its security rules carefully to ensure only authorized users can read and write data, protecting privacy. This integration allows messages to be stored and retrieved almost instantaneously, providing a truly real-time chat experience where conversations update across all connected devices within milliseconds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.